YouTube, Chef Jess back in the Vegan Gastronomy kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to use a brand new product making vegan meringue easier, simpler, and I'm going to show you today how to do it. So today I want to show you a brand new product, Potato Protein Pro. I've been getting so many emails and contacts from you folks out there wanting to make vegan meringue, and it's simpler than ever now. It only requires 3 simple ingredients to create this meringue instantly without any special preparation. So the product comes in a dry powder which has a shelf life of 3 years. It takes up very little space in your pantry, so it's got a much longer shelf life than traditional eggs. So how does this product come packaged? Well, it comes to you in little 20-gram bags in a box of 10 that gets shipped directly to you. Okay, so now let's get started. So it's super easy to prepare. All we need to do is combine our water in a stand mixer or a large bowl with our Potato Protein Pro. Just take your whisk and just give it a little bit of a stir. We're going to get this on the mixer, or you can use a hand mixer. And we're going to put this on medium speed until it just starts to get foamy. The BICARB is going to activate our Potato Protein Pro to get that foaming action. So once we get to this stage where we have stiff peaks, like so, we're going to slowly add the rest of our sugar on a medium to high speed. So once your sugar is completely dissolved and you have nice stiff peaks, you're ready to go. Let's take a look. Oh, that looks good to me. Now remember, that's only 3 ingredients. That was our Potato Protein Pro, just a touch of bicarb, and of course sugar. Alright, so I've just popped some in my piping bag, and I'm going to pipe onto my sheet here, guys. You can do this in the oven as well. I'm using my dehydrator. You want to cook this meringue at 60 degrees Celsius, and just cook until they're dried through. So there you have it, guys. That's our vegan meringue without eggs. And you can order this product on the Vegan Gastronomy website or freefromthat.com. Okay, so here's some I prepared earlier, guys, that are completely dried out. And as you see, they have a lovely nice shine and they're nice and crunchy. Bye, I'll see you next time.